Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are adding unpredictability to our Python project. We want to simulate real-world randomness and create games with surprise elements. Learn how to import generate random numbers in Python. So to import a random number, you have to first import random and random int. So type, let's say maybe you want to create a random numbers between 1 and 3. Now you have to print the statement and now Python is going to create a random number between 1 and 3. Just click this arrow to run your code. Now our random number is 2. Let's say maybe you want to create a random number between 100 and maybe 150. Now let's run our code again. It says 123. Now let's change it to maybe 500 to 550. Let's run our code. Our random number is 536. So always remember that to import a number, you have to first bring the statement that says import random. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing, liking and commenting so that others can discover our channel. Thanks for watching.